Guys, Fern Valley orders here. We're gonna do an unboxing video for posterity reasons. It came in the mail. They didn't even lock it in my lockbox. They put it by my door. So, all right. You know, when you open a gift, you read the card first. And this appears to be lab reports. Nice. We'll look at those in just a bit. I know you want to see what's in the box. Okay. Invoice ship. And here we go, guys. Alright. I got the the ounce 4-pack sampler and 1 ounce of shake with the Rise Up, which I'm going to use definitely to cook. And my pre-roll. Oh my gosh. It's a lifter pre-roll. I'm stoked about this. I'm going to open these. Get this a little closer here so you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright. Alright. We're going to smell it too, because I can smell it. Oh. Ooh. Can't wait to check out the terpenes on this. These lab reports are really actually in depth. I've seen a couple. This is the shake. There are some leaves in here, but this smells really good. Let's open the buds. All right. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. Here they are. This is Rise Up. Be ready here. Oh my gosh. It's buddage. Okay. I'll take pictures of the rest. I'm going to spend a little time with my hemp by myself. But it's here, and I'll be probably yapping about it a little shortly, so